In this beautiful bag, S&M got me a wonderful gift. And I'm gonna show you this wonderful gift.
Well, it's on your arm.
It is on my arm, so I'm gonna show everybody this wonderful gift that S&M got me. It's beautiful. You don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna teach you. You don't know how to do this, but film me. You don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna teach you. You don't know how to do this, but I'm gonna teach you. You can definitely hear the planes, but you can't see them because of all the cloud cover. Woohoo! Woo! Isn't this a beaut? We found our Christmas tree. We're gonna take her home with us. We just gotta chop her down. Let's do this. Just kidding. I'm on the west bank, I'm on the east bank, I'm on the west bank, I'm on the east bank, I'm on the west bank, I'm on the east bank. Alright guys, so we got our Christmas tree in a box. What? Bunch of babies picking your Christmas trees out in the wilderness? We get Christmas trees in boxes, baby, just like canned food. That's how we do. Oh, little baby, wanna pick the Christmas tree outside like a flower, huh?
Like a flower?
You need to pick the flowers, huh? That's what we do, huh? Boo 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 boo. Oh, yeah, boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. We don't need that. We get the flowers in boxes, baby, at Ikea. So, oftentimes, when you're holiday shopping, you have to improvise and do your absolute best. So, this is why I have somebody whose name shall not be mentioned on my shoulders. Ding! It could be somebody else's kid. You never know. Mariska and I and S&M's bracelet just got the Christmas tree. And it's in the trunk now. We're gonna put it up later. And we want you guys to be with us when we do it. It's very tightly packed in the box. Well, just like everything at Ikea, it's self-serve, and that's okay. You have to open up each and every one of these little branches. Let there be light. This is the beautiful ornament that S&M made for us last year at the preschool. And I'm very proud of her, and we're gonna keep this forever, because that was S&M's special gift to us. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Christmas Ball.
The Christmas tree like a flower in the fields, huh? Oh, yeah, boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo.
We don't need that at Daddy Donut Broadcasting. We got a tree out of a box, baby. That's how we do.
Oh, the cute baby. Oh, the pinchy chicken wickies. Oh, you boo, 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 boo. Oh, you boo, boo, pinchy chicken wickies. Oh, you put the tree on the car, huh? Oh, you take it home, you put it in the stand, you put water in it, huh? Oh, you paint it like a flower.
Babies,